So we'll do the next one. Just using the Glitz file 100 and 180. Do you like it, Dawn? It looks cute, huh? Yeah? She's like, ooh. We'll see. She's probably gonna survive with this. It looks so adorable. And now with this, if your class is really nice and simple, don't want anything else, just, you know, clean up the cuticles, around the cuticles. And then if you are doing your class, you can feel right here the ridges. There's no ridges at all. So between the connection between your cuticles to the nails, it's nice and smooth. All right, so now let's take a look at this. It's just really precise consistencies. Like you see that your index fingers is the middle fingers. You compare every single one of them. It's just same size and same length, shape. All right, perfect. So let me move it away. Again, I did use the almonds medium. So now, if you don't use any other beads, you can able to using a sanding band. Absolutely works great as well. So I'm gonna do it first and turn on the E5 to